Stuff happens. Did you ever wonder why? Why something happens? Kismet, fate, juju, Murphy, or maybe divine intervention? As RVers, we've become, or will become, accustomed to the never-ending tweaking, tuning, replacing, repairing, always learning and moving forward of this lifestyle. Sometimes it's the uncertainty of what we had become used to, what we called the dream. A house, new car, and lots of stuff, followed with mortgage, loans, credit, and debt. After all, it's a part of the dream, our dreams. You see it day in and day out, hammered home with every product advertisement we're exposed to, almost to the point of sensory overload. There is something coming. Some of our followers and some we follow have already discovered it. Like the little boy in Terminator said, "Allá viene una tormenta." Translation, there's a storm coming. For us and some of the folks we know, it has been in the back of our minds, as well as the cycle of life with our friends and family. In the next few months, we may be going through a change. The storm, so to say. Stay with us, keep watching, and we'll keep you posted. It's getting closer.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
The Arizona Copper Art Museum is located in Clarkdale, Arizona, and currently occupies the old high school building. As billed, It houses a lot of Arizona's greatest treasures, copper. There are over 5,000 works of copper art and architecture of Western Europe and North America from 3500 BC to the present. They encourage photography and videography. You can touch the artifacts, and they are pet and child friendly. It was definitely worth the stop and a tour. Sometimes you forget just how much we rely on that very useful and beautiful metal. What is your name?
My name's Drake.
Drake? Okay.
Drake. I'm the founder here at the museum. There's three of us. So
Fantastic.
all work at the museum. And the young girl up there is my granddaughter. She's helping on the weekends.
This is an absolutely beautiful setup. One of the nicest we've seen.
Beautiful metal, and the state of Arizona is the copper state.
Yes, it is.
So we thought, hey, what better way to celebrate the centennial of Arizona?
Now, on our next one, we'll probably be out in 2 weeks. For YouTube. Yeah, it's a travel channel.
YouTube as well.
Very cool. Yeah, that's our channel right there on the business card. Our license to travel.
Well, that's cool.
Thank you very much. Back to the RV for a freshly ground pour-over coffee. Just in time to see the beautiful desert fire sky sunset. A great night's rest and up again early to visit a winery or two, then off to another of the area's attractions.
Yeah, we were down there last year before last, over New Year's.
Tootsie Good. Tootsie Good? Tootsie Good? Tootsie Good. Another attraction in the Clarkdale area. The National Park Service describes Tootsie Good as being built by a thriving community, crowning a desert hilltop. It was an ancient village built by the Sinagua people, farmers and artists with trade connections that spanned hundreds of miles. A pre-Columbian culture in Arizona between 500 AD and 1425 AD. When you're checking out the dig, remember you're in the desert Southwest, so it might be best to stay on the trails. Also, that stick on the ground that caught your attention might not be a stick. Rest in peace, old tongue jack. Good thing my wife's folks had their old one available. Like we said in the beginning, stuff happens, so every once in a while, you find yourself repairing a busted sewer fitting. That's life. Good thing I got a good friend to help. If you found anything interesting or entertaining, you might try subscribing. And, as always, ring that bell icon to get a reminder whenever we drop another video. Don't forget about Facebook and Instagram. We're always happy to have you along for the ride. Oh yeah, one final thought. As the holiday approaches, if you get a chance, please comment below. Would like to know just how many of you will be in Los Angeles this year for the big Christmas party at the Nakatomi Plaza. I hear that John and Holly McClane, as well as Hans Gruber, will be there. It ought to be quite a bang. Merry Christmas.